Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up the Ledger Nano X. First, carefully unbox your Ledger Nano X and inspect it for any signs of tampering. It's crucial to ensure your device is new and untouched. Next, connect your device to a power source using the included USB-C cable. Then, power on your Ledger Nano X by pressing the button next to the USB port until the Ledger logo illuminates on the screen. This initial step ensures your device is ready for configuration. Now let's secure your device. You'll need to choose a PIN code, which can be anywhere from 4 to 8 digits long. Use the device buttons to select and confirm each digit. This PIN is your primary access. Next, the device will display your unique 24-word recovery phrase. This is extremely important. Write each word down precisely on the recovery sheets provided. Finally, confirm your recovery phrase by re-entering the words in the correct order to ensure accuracy. With your device configured, it's time to set up Ledger Live. Download the official Ledger Live application from the Ledger website onto your computer or smartphone. Once installed, connect your Ledger Nano X to Ledger Live using the USB-C cable for desktop or via Bluetooth for mobile. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform a genuine check. Then, use the Manager section to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need and add your accounts. To maintain the highest security, always keep your 24-word recovery phrase offline and in a secure, private location. Never digitize it or share it with anyone. Your PIN code and recovery phrase should remain confidential. Regularly check for and install firmware updates for your Ledger Nano X via the Ledger Live application. These updates often include critical security enhancements, ensuring your digital assets remain protected against evolving threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.